Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you a beautiful home listing tour today. The property I'm standing at is 5972 Revelstoke Drive. This is a beautiful property located in Wolf Ranch. You've got all the fantastic Wolf Ranch amenities, dog park, community parks, great District 20 schools, and more coming all the time. Great neighborhood located on the North Powers corridor here in Briargate for sure. This property is 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's got a fully finished basement. It's over 3,100 total square feet, and it's beautifully done. Basically brand new. It's got a great 2-car garage attached. You've got beautiful wood siding, brand new paint. I mean, this thing literally has had one owner, and it's as good as new. Again, a beautiful property coming on the market here in Wolf Ranch at $409,900. $4,099 will be the listing price on 5972 Revelstoke Drive. Great property. Let's take a closer look. Now when you enter this home, you see beautiful hardwood floors right off the bat. These hardwood floors are going to drive you all the way from the front of the home into the back of the main level here. Right as you enter, you've got a great open space. It's great as a formal living room, sitting area, or a great formal dining room space as well. Very functional. As you come through to the back area here, you've got a great little art cubby, great for storage, great for a little in-house office, homework den, art cubby, really cool space there. The space I'm standing in now is a beautiful open area. You've got the family room, open to the dining space, open to the kitchen. The family room's got a great built-in entertainment cubby, beautiful brushed nickel ceiling fan, tile-clad gas fireplace, and lush, basically brand new carpet. The kitchen is beautiful with great deep dark wood cabinets with crown molding surrounding. You've got great stainless steel appliances. You've got beautiful countertops. You've got a great tile backsplash with inlaid mosaic tile, and again, those beautiful hardwood floors that run throughout. You've also got a great great pantry with Santa Fe doors, and again, is open to the dining room area here that also features those hardwood floors as well. Dining room walks up to a great backyard. Backyard has a large concrete patio, oversized and extended patio. Fully fenced, lush landscaping with great green grass already, and you've got beautiful rock accents as well back there. Upstairs, you've got 3 bedrooms plus an open loft area. Open loft area is a great functional play space for the kids. You've also got an upstairs laundry as well. The master bedroom has vaulted ceilings. You've got a great 5-piece attached bath with double vanity sinks, a deep garden tub, separate shower, and the master bedroom also has a great walk-in closet. The basement's fully finished as well. The basement's got a great open landing area. You've also, in the back here, you've got a great rec room area as well, great for a theater room, pool table, game room, anything like that. You've also got the home's 4th bedroom and 4th bathroom down in the basement as well. As with all my properties, this home does come with a 14-month home warranty, transferable to the new buyer upon closing. If you'd like more information about 5972 Revelstoke Drive, please visit my website at www.makespringshome.com, or please give me a call for a private tour at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much.